Hi everyone, welcome to Medicine YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about genetic code. It is a nucleotide sequence of an mRNA codes for an amino acid in a protein. A genetic code means a nucleotide sequence which codes for, it is a sequence of mRNA that codes for amino acid in a protein. Codon, a triplet nucleotide sequence present in the mRNA which codes for specific amino acid is known as codon. When there is a triplet nucleotide sequence which codes for a specific amino acid, then it is represented to be as codon. Features of genetic code. What are the features of the genetic code? The number of codons. There are 4 nucleotide bases. So it can produce 3 base codons. 4 nucleotide bases in the combination can produce 3 base codons. So the 4 cube, when 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64. So that these 4 bases can produce a 64 codon which codes for 20 amino acid. In 64 codon, the 3 codons are stop codon. So 61 amino acids codes for 20 amino acid. Start codon. Start codon are AUG. AUG codes for amino acid methionine in prokaryote. For example, AUG, start codon, which starts the protein synthesis, which codes for an amino acid methionine in prokaryote, but in eukaryote it codes for N-formyl methionine. Now we will see about the stop codon. The stop codon are UAG. I have already said that 64 codons are there. In that 3 codons are stop codon. UAG, UAA and UGA are the stop codon which doesn't code for any amino acid. Here these codon doesn't code for any amino acid, but when there is a presence of these codon in the protein synthesis in mRNA, this leads to termination of the protein synthesis. The presence of these codon on the mRNA terminate the protein synthesis. So these 3 amino acid doesn't code for any codon, but if there is a presence of these 3 amino acids in the mRNA sequence, this terminates the protein synthesis. This stops the protein synthesis. There are nonsense codon are named as the nonsense codon are named as amber, ochre and opal. These are the nonsense codon. Now degeneracy or redundancy. As the 61 codons for 20 amino acid, 1 amino acid is more than 1 codon. As I said that 61 codon codes for 20 amino acids. So there is then the 1 amino acid has many number of codons. So the degeneracy of the codon lies in the third base. The degeneracy example, the third base is the degeneracy of the codon. UUU codes for phenylalanine as well as UUC is codes of phenylalanine. UUA codes for leucine and UUG also codes for leucine. So the third base shows the degeneracy of the codon. The universal, a specific codon represents a specific amino acid in all species. When there is a specific codon, it represent the specific amino acid, not other amino acids. There might be a change in the nucleotide, but the specific codon only codes for specific amino acid. Unambiguous. Although an amino acid has more than 1 codon, the particular codon codes for the particular amino acid. As I have said above, the particular codon always codes for particular amino acid, but there might be change in the nucleotide UUU as well as UUC, which codes for phenylalanine. Non-overlapping. Ready of genetic code from the 5' end of the mRNA is continuous and there is no comma or punctuation in between the bases. It should be read continuously. It has in the non-overlapping. If there is no punctuation and the comma in the sequence, mRNA sequence, it should be read continuously. You should not stop the in places. Example, this 5' to 3', AUG, CCU, UUC, and CUA. There is no punctuation and comma, so it should be read continuously. The codon that designate same amino acid are called synonyms. When the codon designate the same amino acid, it is known as synonyms. There are 6 codons for serine, arginine, and leucine. There is only one codon for methionine and tryptophan. The largest number of codons are there for these 3 amino acids, which is serine, arginine, and leucine. The only one codon is for methionine and tryptophan. Thank you. That's all about the genetic code. If you like this video, please do like, share, and comment my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe it. If you have any doubt in it, please do comment it. Or if you want any other topic, please do comment it. Thank you.